Two of them. Oh. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, very loud. Okay, let's see. I think we do some problem sum first lah. We do a problem sum. This one. Who's coming in? Okay. Okay, we're trying a problem sum first before we go to, we wait for our other brother. Brother is coming in. You understand what the question is saying, huh? You all know what it means, eh? Okay, good. Okay, will not be what I have to draw. Now we have only about 3 lessons left, I think. 3 weeks left. 3 weeks left. Okay, in 2 minutes time, I will go through. Okay, let us see. Who is this? 1 whole 2 out of 4. Okay, so you're saying is your answer is what like that lah. I just 1 whole 2/4 of the bottle. Is it there? Is that? Means 1.5 lah. You're saying it's 1.5 lah. Okay, but the problem is, okay, let me, maybe you might not understand the question. Now down here, let me draw. There is a bottle lah, this bottle. Okay, this bottle, let's say we draw like that. Okay, this bottle. Or I draw the bottle, straight bottle. Imagine we have a straight bottle. Now this straight bottle, our brother SMA is coming. So this bottle now, you have 3/4 full, you know. So I'm going to draw it 3/4 full. I mean, I divide the bottle into 4 parts. We are imagining this is a bottle. Let's say this is Assalamualaikum Syekh Akil. So now we imagine this is now 3/4 like that. This 3/4. This 3/4, this water can fill up 5 cups, you know. It's as if it can fill up 5 cups. Exactly 5 cups you can fill up. Now they take the amount of water they pour out. They take this water from here and pour out. So the water that's left can only fill up 3 cups. But they're asking you, in fraction, how much more water is left? It must go down. From 3/4, it must go down to something. What is it? So what you need to do now, you need to actually, it's like this. You can use ratio method. Ratio method is you can have part and whole. Part means what? This one is 3 parts. The whole thing is 4 parts. Okay. These 3 parts is the same as 5 parts, you know. Down here, the whole we don't know. We don't know how many, but we can find out what number can we make it the same. So 3, what number? 15, correct? 3 times 1, 15. So from here, you times by 5. So you times by 5, get 20. So whole of it is 20. So this one you make it times by what? Times by 5. Times by 5. So this is now 15 out of 20. So how you get 15 out of 20? Each part you divide by 5. That means down here, I divide this thing by 5. 5, I divide by 5, no? So one lapis, that's 5, no? So it is 5, this 10, then 15, this 20. Imagine. So this thing now can fill up 5 of it, 5 cups. 15 parts can fill up 5 cups. 15 parts fill up 5 cups. 1 cup is how many parts? So 1 cup. 1 cup I divide by 5. I get 3 parts lah. Oh, 3 parts. One cup is actually 3 parts. The green line 3 parts. So he throw away 2 cups. 2 cups is how many parts? 2 cups is 6 parts lah. Times 2, 6 parts. So how many parts is left? At first it's 15. Now you minus 6. You get 9 out of 20 left. 9 out of 20 is less than half. That means the water level go down maybe to somewhere down here, like that. Maybe somewhere here. Last time was here, right? 3/4. Now you go down like this. Is it confusing? No. No, you can get it. Okay. All right. We move now to paper 1. So we want to... Shakil, are you okay, Shakil? You just came back from school. You cannot hear me. Okay, never mind. We try this one. Please don't make any errors. Try your best not to make any errors. Question number 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. $7,216. Then you plus them together. No using calculator, please. Shakil, come on, Shakil. 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 Di mana Shakil? Dia tak jawab-jawab aku. Kenapa Shakil? Let us see. Akil now. Akil says 3. Let us see whether he's correct. What about the rest? Akil says, oh, the first one is 3, second. Okay. Let us see. According to the answer key, both your answers are not correct. So you've got to think through. Now, if I say 100, how do you write 100? 100, right? 100 like that lah. 7,200 is 7,200, you know. Plus 16 ones. Come on. Means I'm giving you the answer for the first one. 7, 2, 1, 6. You must plus them together, number 1. I repeat, 7,200, 100, you must add 2 zeros. What? 100, there's 2 zeros. Then you plus by 16. What happened to Akil? Done. Disappear. Okay, so you get it, Is that you understand? Is that good? Akil, you understand? Akil, Shakil and Akil, you understand? Shakil tak jawab. Dia dah sombong dia. Apa lah Shakil ni? Okay, come. Next one now. We try now. Which one is equal to 5 and 1/3? 5 and 1/3. Akil, you got the answer for the first one. You understand, right, Akil? Okay. 5 and 1/3. There's no plus here. You try to write down what these answers are lah. Write down what the answers are down here. What is this equal? What is this equal? What is this equal to? What is this equal to? Then after you can compare. See? Okay, let's see now. Who is this? Izzat. Well, Izzat, congratulations, Mr. Izzat. Shakir can do it. Okay, I'm gonna. So this one now. Let's see, Akil Hassan. Well done, Akil. Okay, well done. You got it right this time. So now what to do? Okay, we are waiting for Shay. Shay, penat. So down here, 5 times 1, 5. 5/3. This one is how many? This one 5 times 3, 15 plus 1, 16/3. No? This one is 16/3. Again, how do you? 5 times 3, 15 plus 1, right? 16 over 3. Now down here, now we try, we divide 5 over 1 times by 3 over 1. Your times get 15 over 1. So these two are out already, this one out. Next one, 16 times 1 is 16. 16 over 3, it's the same already. Don't need to do any further. Okay, number 3. Please, which one of these is closest to 8? Which one is closest to 8? Which one is closest to 8? Come on. I'll make it big for you. Make sure you have the same decimal place. You can see. Okay, let me see here. Closest, not biggest, no. They didn't ask you for which one is biggest. So you have a number line. I do not know whether you understand the question. The question closest means what? You have this one number 8, this one number 7, this one number 9. Closest means whichever is closer. This is very close. This one the closer. This one further away. This one further away. This one is the closest. It can be smaller than, it can be bigger than. Let's see, cannot. Is that you know how to do? You know, okay. Let's see now. Yes, Akil, yes, correct now. Well done. What about Izzat? Okay, so Izzat say number 1, which is Akil's first answer. Now number 1, let us write it out. If we make the numbers the same, it's the same number of decimal places. This is like 8,100. This one is we add 8,090 like that. So 8,030. Can you see now? This one is 8,004. So this 8 is what? This is like 8,000 like that, because I put a dot on here. So is that which one is closest to 8,000? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Which one? 8.1 is quite far, you know. It's actually, yeah, it's 4. Well done. Okay, so sometimes you need to write down the decimal place. That becomes easier for you. You don't write, you cannot see sometimes. Okay, we try the next one. This one again, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. Come on. Oh, very fast, Who's this guy? Well done, Mr. Izzat. And Mr. You must divide by 1,000. When you divide by 1,000, what happened? Divide by 1,000. You shift 3 decimal places, 3 0. Shift 1, shift 2, shift 3, dot. Okay? Yes, okay. Correction just in time. Syakil, what happened Syakil? You tak participate? How? Yang dah penat sangat Aku penat please jangan kacau aku aku penat. Okay, now this one is will maybe tested because yeah, this one may be tested. Remember, primary 5 volume is tested. No, this is primary 5 volume. Okay, this is primary 5 volume. You can do this. Izzat can do this also. Find the area of shaded part. This is the area actually. What about Mr. Let me see. Okay, well done, Akil. And what about Mr. Izzat and Shah Akil? They're asking you very simple stuff actually. They're just asking you what's the area of the black part. Come on, area of black part. You don't need to calculate so much. Area of this black part. Come on. Take length times breadth lah. 15 times 9. 15 times 9 is 135. Easy. They just find the area of the shade. Yeah.
Is Zoom are you posting in YouTube?
Yeah, all the Zoom are all on YouTube, you know. You just, okay, I'll show you lah. You just go to down here, okay. Mana ni? Sekejap, all the, in fact, I have not taken down last year's one, no, and the year before last.
Yeah. This Zoom, can you don't
I don't erase, I won't erase.
Don't record this,
Why don't record? I already record apa? Apalah you want to record. Now down here now, let me see. Okay, you can put Mr. Shahid Zoom to share lah. Okay, you go. You have the whole thing here. You just go down here. Okay, then okay. Let's say you do not know now down here. You can see this Shahid Salim here. You click here. Astaghfirullah. Then you have all the videos. All the videos. See, 19 hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago. You want to check what I put for the other classes, P6 classes. You can check. Everything is all here.
Sir.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube?
You just put Mr. Shahid Salim, can you see?
Okay, Shahid Salim.
You can see my son, my two sons.
Your son. I only see Emma Coons.
Emma Coons means this is a one-to-one tuition. I teach Emma. Her name is Emma. This girl's name is Emma. She's in Sec 2.
I only see revision angles. Is it yesterday? 19 hours ago?
Yeah, yesterday one. Remember?
And then dah hilang.
Why hilang? No, you click, you will get there.
I saw India TV.
You what? What TV? No, not
Indian movie.
No lah, cannot be. You are pressing the wrong button. Takkan you go to my channel. You try to explore on your laptop. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, my son, they tick already. Okay, down here. ABC. So whatever you want to, the thing you can even if you don't take tuition from me, you can study all the Sec 1, Sec 2 work down there. True or not? You just go through the same thing. The books I'll go through. You don't even need tuition. You can just, if people know, I can just do that. And I'm okay, especially for the Muslims. I'm okay. I'll be more than happy, But at some point in time, I need to take down because some of the tuition. Let's say now, you after 3 years, okay, Akil, thank you, Akil. Let's see. Yes, well done, Akil. So maybe after 3 years, I do not know. Akil Adnan will say, hey, please, don't put my video there. I was a small boy last time. Now I'm a big man. So, or maybe Izzat said the same thing, or she Akil. So after 2-3 years, I will take down. Come on. Very itchy lah, very itchy lah. EBC, come on. Okay, you find the next one, Akil, you can find the next one now. Hey, come on guys, this one very easy lah, very easy. Izzat can do no, Izzat? Izzat, you give the answer here. Not yet. Have you given the answer? Not yet. For number 7 or no? Akil gave, oh, not yet, okay. Okay, let's see whether you're again Akil, that's not correct. You doing mental calculation?
No, for number 8.
Number 8, yeah, it's not. Izzat, well done for number 7. Akil, well done for number 7. Akil, come number 7, you know how to do, right? Akil, 180 minus 29 minus 90, you get 61. Very simple. 180 minus 29 minus 90, you get 61. The next one now, number 9. So Akil,
that's past name.
Yeah, what do you say? Akil, well done. What do you say?
Nothing.
You see lah, every time I ask you, what do you say? Nothing. Apa lah this guy?
Acha.
Yeah, nothing.
Number
Next
8
time.
what? Number 8 you do already?
No, have not. We are waiting for everyone. Izzat, what about you, Izzat? Number 8. Have you done? Not yet. Yes, are you done? You gave the answer already. Okay.
4,000.
4,000. Macam mana? How you get 4,000? You cannot just take 2 times 2,000, You must remember, Shakil. 2%, percent means what? Over 100. 2 over 100, this is 2%. 2% means of 2 over 100, then you times by 2000 like that. You don't take two times the thing. So now you cancel 1 0, cancel 2 0, cancel 1 0, cancel 2 0, cancel 2 0. 2 times 20, 40. Okay, the next one now, ratio. Let me see. Akil, you got, you send me, you show me the answer, Akil. Not yet, right? Okay. Okay, so they are saying what? Girls, 2 boys, 2 total. You must do something like that. Put like that. See, true or false, whatever. Girls. Is that all your answer 2 is that? You give the answer away, also 2. You feel 2 is a lucky number? No. You feel 2 is a lucky number? No. Don't buy 40, yeah, 2. No, it's 40. So far, Isa's last 4 answers. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Come on. So, Akil, you're saying 3. 3. Okay, let's see whether he's correct with 3. Is that 2? Not yet. Is that not yet? Shakil, what was Shakil? Okay, 1 minute's time, I have to explain. Otherwise, those who have finished will feel very bored.
Teacher,
Yeah.
how to do this?
Okay. So now they ask you for the ratio of the girls to the boys to the total. So we write a girl, G for girl, B for boys, T for total. So we write down now. Now they say they are all together 38 students total. So we put 38 on here. Now how many girls they say? There's 28. And boys, they didn't tell us, but you know the total is 38. What? You can minus 28, you get 10. So this is your answer, but the problem is you don't have this answer here. You must reduce, Shakil. You don't have this answer here, you have to reduce. All of them can divide by 2. So I divide by 2, I get 14. I divide by 2, I get 5. I divide by 2, I get 19. And your answer is number 3, as Mr. Akil has highlighted the answer.
So it's number 3.
Yes. So it's very simple. You just write it down. Remember, your PSLE is going to be as simple as this. You're going to get questions like this. You must know how to do all this. Okay. So I'm going to move on. Question number 10 now. This one, we're not going to have a pie chart. You see, pie chart is very interesting now. Okay, never mind. Now we are having this one now.
Sir, is it C?
C.
Sir. Is it
C.
R?
R. Congratulations. R.
Oh, sir. You know that,
Yeah.
sir. I don't even do anything.
What do you do?
I do C-A-R-E, 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 C-A-R-E.
Yes,
And after
correct.
the three dots, I put
Yeah.
C-A-R. So R.
Well done, well done.
Like
So
that, is it?
yeah, you can put it that way, but yeah, well done, Akil. So
Atau orang cacak kuti je.
no, okay, no, okay, I'll show you now another way. Okay, let's say now, Akil, correct, your answer number 3 correct. Now you can see, let's say all this every four it repeats. So the number is a multiple of 4. What do you mean? This is 4 letters, 4 letters, 4 letters. So we can also do like 4, 8, 12. You can do right until 59. You see that. But how to do faster way? Just take 59, divide by 4. You divide by 4, what do you get? You get 4 down here is 1, right? And then you minus, you get 19. 19 cannot divide by 4, but 16 can. So 16, what's the remainder? Remainder is 3. Watch, 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. If there's no remainder, means it's full, is at E. If remainder 1, it means it's C. Remainder 2 means A. Remainder 3 means R. You all know how to do now. So now let's say now I give you this, I give you a new number. You try, okay? Let's say I want to find which letter is in the 1, 2, 7, 7 position. Can find out 1, 2, 7, 7 position. Use the method I taught you, find the remainder, and then you get the answer. Come, boys, come. Which position is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it C? Is it A? Is it R? Is it E? Shakil, let's say now the position is 1, 2, 7, 7. Do this method now. Find out what's the remainder. Any remainder now. No remainder means it's E. Remainder 1 means C. Remainder 2 means A. Remainder 3 means R. What do you say? Come on, you can do this. Come on. Okay, this will be like that. Smarter way. You're not gonna write down 1, 2, 7, 7 again. Position. Right? So you 1, 2, 7, 7. You divide by 4 lah. Come on. What do you get? I think you get 3, 12. Bring down 7, 4, 1. Minus get 3, 7. 3, 7, 3, 6 is 9. Remainder is 1. Is number C. Letter C. Is that you get it? Is that? You know what teaching is that? Yes, huh? So look, there's a faster way sometimes. Sometimes you need to know the faster way. But you say I can do easy way. Yeah, okay. For now, you can do easy way if the number is small. But if number big like this, you need to have a better way. Otherwise, wasting time. Counting. Salah count, cannot get. All right. Perimeter and hold on. We try question 13 now. A restaurant opens daily for the time shown in the table below. How many hours and minutes is the restaurant open each day? These are all giveaway marks, huh? Not too tough. Not too tough. Akil, what's the answer, Akil? Okay, well done, Akil. Well done. Izzat and Shakil. Come on, can do this. Go on. Okay, come on, come on, come on. 30 seconds left before I have to go through the answer. You must find the number of hours here, find the number of hours here. They give you 24-hour clock, you know. So you can just minus 14 minus 11. Oh. Now you get 4 hours, 30 minutes. For the first one is 4 hours, 30 minutes. You can see, you know. The next one now. 2200 minus 1715. Minus now when you borrow 1 hour, we left with 21 hours. Down here becomes 60. You minus get 45 here. 21 minus 17 is 4. 4 hours 45. Down here already you can see that which is the answer HD. Eh? 21 minus 7, 4. This one is 3 lah, sorry. This one is 3, yeah. See down here you can already see. Is that you okay? Is that? Down here, you plus, you get now how much? 75 minutes. 75 minutes, how many hours? 1 hour, 15 minutes. This one, 7 hours. So 7 hours, 8 hours, 15 minutes. 8 hours, 15 minutes. If you don't know, you count forward lah, from 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 hours away. 3 hours, 30 minutes. Thereafter, 5:15, 6:15, 7:15, 8:15, 9:15, 4 hours, plus another 45 minutes. So you can do that way also. Okay, we move on to the next one. This one now. MOP is twice the size of MOT. Twice the size of MOT. Okay, you can find the actual angle here. NOQ.
Teacher, 180 minus 90, is it?
Okay, Akil, just a moment, Akil. Say Akil, how you 180? Okay, now we want to find NOQ now. So NOQ,
What, teacher?
you want to find NOQ down here.
You want to find it?
NOQ. Yeah.
Where's M? Oh, MOQ. Okay, nice.
No, NOQ, this one. So let us see the lines, this one. You look carefully. These lines now are the same, you know. This one and this one. Can you see now? So these two angles are equal actually. If you can find this angle, you minus 90, you get this answer. It's not 180 minus 90, is that angle. So let us see whether Akil's answer is okay. Let's see. According to answer key, Akil, your answer is not correct. Okay, we look at here now. Let me see. Down here, they tell you this. No, you must read this part. If you don't read this part, you won't know how to do. MOP is twice the size of MOT. This angle is 2 times, 2 units. This one 1 unit. That's what they're saying. From here to here is 2 units MOP. So 1 unit. So this altogether is how many? 180 degrees. How many units is 180 degrees? 3 units. Because it's 2 units, it's 1 unit. So 3 units altogether. So 3 units, 180. 1 unit, 180 divided by 3, 60. So this down here is 60 degrees, you know. Down here is 120 degrees. So from here to here is also 120 degrees. Now, this is 90 degrees. You minus 120 minus 90, you get 30 down here. You get it? Is that you get it? Is that? Do you understand? Okay, Shakil and Akila, you can see now down here. This is, you start from here now. You must read this one now. MOP is twice of MOT. So this one is 2 units twice. So 1 unit. The whole thing 180 is 3 units. 1 unit 60. So this is 60. This one must be 120 lah. This whole thing 120 also minus 90 get 30. Okay. I hope you're okay. This one now. Line graph now. So fast. Okay, let's see whether the answer is correct at the moment. Okay, I will check the answer in a moment. Tuesday, this is Tuesday, okay. How much is that? This is Thursday. How much is that? They're asking you how much more money he earned on Tuesday than on Thursday. So this one is how many? It's 250 burgers. How much is that? You must find out now. One burger is $4. He sold 250. This one sold 50. So you must find out now how much did he collect? Izzat, well done, Izzat. Okay, Izzat got answer. Congratulations. So now let us see this 250 must times by $4. Why? One burger is $4. What? So when you times by 4, you get $1,000. Tuesday, he earned $1,000. And then Thursday, only 50 burgers. 50 times 4, only $200. You minus the 2. 1,000 minus 200, you get $800. This is considered quite easy. So if you get it wrong, that means you're not careful or you're too tired, maybe either one. Okay, it's from a Chinese school called Pui Hua Presbyterian. Many of the Christian schools are good schools. Okay, we try this one. Okay, we try. Number 16.
Teacher,
Yes.
17 lecture.
How come 17? Oh, you mean what? Doing 16, number 16 first. You do 16 first. I thought you said the answer is 17. Okay, Mr. Akil, let us see whether you're right. Well done, Akil. Congratulations for question 16. Oh, what is that?
Sir,
Yeah.
11.31.
Well done. But you are here, you are using calculator lah. Kenapa menipu? Jangan
do you
begitu.
know?
Some people want. I can hear the sound. Tick. But never mind lah.
No,
But
I never use calculator.
did not Okay, minta maaf minta maaf. Well done,
Like,
Izzat.
say, look.
Huh? Okay, I cannot see. I thought, okay, sorry. I thought I heard you. Okay, but that means it's wrong. So well done. If you minus that, you get
Actually, correct lah.
11.
I use calculator.
Aduh, dia menipu dia.
Sorry.
It's okay. What is the length of the sticker as shown in the figure below? Come. You find out what is this. Wow, very fast, is that? Are you sure? Find out what is this, then minus, no. You must, what is this? This 7 point something, this 4 point, you minus, you cannot get 1 point something. $1.6 too small. Huh? What is that? I do not know what you're saying. You say that. Okay, let's see. So sorry, Mr. Akil. Not correct. If you say 4 cm, this will go to here 1 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm will be here, So it's not. You must calculate now. What is this now? I think Akil going to say this one 4.2. Not 4.2, it's 4.4. This one 7.6. Minus lah. You see, it's 4.4, 4.6, 4.8, 5. Right? 7.2, 7.4, 7.6, 7.8, 8. So just minus 7.6, minus 4.4 equals to here, 2 down here, and 3. Okay, 3.2. Well done, 3.2. Okay, not so tough. Hey guys, please make sure that you score in this paper. This one careful. I give you a clue again. Any decimal or fraction you want to change to percentage, just times by 100. Any decimal or fraction you want to change to percentage, just times by 100. Shift the decimal place. Shift it. This is number what? Achieve it. So sorry, you times by 1,000 is that? You want only times by 100. You have times by 1,000. You shift too many. Shakil, come on. You times by 100. You all know I'm not in at home now. You know where I am? I'm in my office now. Nampak ni office ni. Kat sini. Now I think the building is quite empty lah. Finish at Maghrib, gotta run away. You times by 1,000 also. I show to you how you times by 1,000. You times by 100 lah. Decimal or fraction you want to change to percentage times by 100. When you times by 100, what does it mean? You shift how many places? 1 and 2. Shift 1, shift 2, 3.5. If you do one more, that means you have got 3 zeros. No, we don't have 3 zeros. Percentage you want to change to percentage, you times by 100 only. Okay. Remember, any fraction or decimal you want to change to percentage, you times by 100. Net. Okay, we don't do net. We do this one now. Do them. Maybe you cannot see, From June to September, the total is how many? They say total is 200. Total for the 4 months is 200. Down here is 30. Down here, don't know. Okay. And the next one, you gotta check
Sir.
again. You gotta
Sir.
check. Yes.
I've been trying this and how to do this.
Okay, so now down here, first we got to figure out. Actually, the answer not accurate. You must figure out how many each one. How many durians are there in all this? You see, I already highlighted 30, 60, 35. But say the total number is how much? 200. So how to find this one? Take 200 minus 30 minus 60 minus 35, you get an answer. Come on, SMA kill.
Is my answer
To know
correct?
answer.
No, your answer is not
30
correct.
plus 60 plus 35.
Yes. How much is
Huh?
that? You must plus together, then 200 minus that. 200 must minus all what you plus. So what do you write? How come you write kosong? Okay, you say 125, correct? Together 125. So take 200 minus 125. Come on. You get 75. 75 is the answer. Very easy. Because they tell you everything is 200.
1 to 5, sir.
125 is for this plus this plus. You must take 200 minus 125. You know why minus, right? Because June plus July plus August plus
3 to
September.
5, sir.
Minus, not plus. Minus.
Okay.
200 minus 125. Berapa you get? Syakir can get. Okay, supposed to get 75. 75, huh? Can get or not?
Sir, it's equal to 75.
75, okay. So now we move on to the next one. We have another 40 minutes more. This one now. You got to take to make it a decimal. How to do this? Take 6 divided by 7, find out what's the answer decimal, and then you put 2 point something. The answer down here is 2 point something lah. So what is it? Ken, is that? 2 ways of doing this. I'll show you in a moment. I'll show you in a moment. There's two ways of doing this. Boleh nak? Just do long division, you can get answer. Long division. Okay, how to do long division? 2 times 7, 14 plus 6, 20. You can do 20 divided by 7 like that. Or you can also just do 6 divided by 7. So they want 2 decimal place, you stop after 3 decimal places, you stop. So 20 divided by 7, 14 can put the 2 down here. Now, you have to put a dot already. You can put as many zeros as you want. 20 minus 4 is 6. Now, once you're gonna bring this down, you are crossing the dot, put the dot here. Now you bring down the 0. 60. 60 divided by 7, 56. Divided by 7, you get 7 times 8, 56. 8. You minus, you get 4. Okay, right on here, 4. Bring down the 0. You bring down the 0, you get 40. So 35. Right? 35 is 5. Right? Okay, you minus, you get 5. Bring down the 0, again 50. 42, 49. 7 times 7. Okay, stop. Because why? 2 decimal place, you stop after 3. 1, 2, 3, you stop. So you look at the number 2.857. 1 decimal, 2 decimal. Look at the next digit. Do we plus 1? Yes, we plus 1. So it's 2.86. This is method number 1. Method number 2, you don't need to divide the 2 because you know this is 2 point something. So just divide by 7. 6 divided by 7 cannot put 0. Then now you put a dot, put a dot, put a dot. As many zeros as you want, you can add. So 60 you can divide, you get 56 lah. 56 is how many? Is 8. Notice it's the same thing. 8, 56 down here. Minus what do you get? 4. Bring down the 0. 40 divided 7, 35 can divide, not 40. How much is that? Is 5. And then next one, you minus get 50. Bring down the 0. This one you get 49. 49 is 7. 0857, same thing. So what is the nearest 2 decimal place? 2 decimal, check, is 86. But it's begin with 2 actually. So 2.86, same thing. Okay. We try the next one now. Yeah. This one now. You just give me a moment. Just one moment. But I'm here still. Tahan lang. 67, 67. Anyone, come on. 67. 67, yeah,
Sir,
yeah,
is it $2 plus 90?
plus 90. Okay. Now $2 is for 30 gram. Yours is 67 grams.
Sir, is it $2.90?
Not enough. More than that. So you must
Maybe
find.
divided by 2.
No, divide by 2. You must find how many gram is this. Now you have 30 gram here. How many more gram? Your whole thing is 67 gram. Whole thing is 67 gram. You minus 30, how much you get? You get 37 gram more. So this 37 gram, you must pay how many gram? You must understand this part here. This one for 30 grams is correct. You get $2. Down here now you got another 37 gram more. You know. How many 10 gram do you need? Okay, let's see. From here, 30, you want to go to 40. You must plus 10 gram here. Correct? But this is only 10 gram. You pay 90 cents, only 10 gram. You must add another 10 gram to get to 50. But yours is 67, you know. So you add another 10 gram. You get to 60. Right? And then the last one, 67. You need to pay up to 70. Why? Because they don't count per gram, they count per 10 gram. So you must pay for another 10 gram. How many times must you pay the 10 gram? You look at how many times. You see, then you can know how many times, how much must you pay. You pay 1 time. You pay 2 times, 3, 4 times. So what do you do? Take 90 times 4. You get 360. 90 times 4 is 360. Right? So then, how to do? How much does Jack need to pay? So you must add together. You get 560. $2 plus 360, get 560. I hope you'll get it. Is that you understand, sir? Is that get it? Akil, you get it? I don't know. I hope you'll get it. So 560 here. Okay. We move on. Sekejap, No, we can't see the shaded area. No, we can't see. Okay, we try this one. The sum x and z is 97. What is x? X and y is 1 to 4. So you must know the method. Cannot? You all can do not? I showed this method a few times.
48.5.
48.5. Let us see where you're right. 48.5. 48.5. They say the answer, your answer is 41. Let us see. Let us see. But I think they are given the wrong answer. Let us see. Ken, are we ready? Now, down here now, you must remember, we do this method. Okay. X plus y is equals to 124. So x plus y is 124. Okay, and then y plus z, I use a different color. Y plus z is 97. Y plus z. Then I'm going to tell you something else. X plus y plus z is 180. You agree, yeah? X plus y plus z is 180. So what do? We combine these two and then we minus. You see, I just want to show you now. This is how we do it. Then you can find the center one. This one is 180. So x plus y plus z is how much? You add this one, you get how much? 241. 221. You add these two up. Now I take x plus y plus z minus 180. When you minus, there's no more x. There's no more z. 2y I minus get 1y. And 1y is 41. This one is 41. So how to find x? Take 124 minus 41. That's your answer. You get 3. 12 minus 4, you get 83. Even the answer key when your answer is wrong. They say it's 41. 41 is for y. So you again, we take x plus y plus z, you get these two. Then you minus by x plus y plus z. So down here you minus x minus x, z minus z. 2y minus 1y, you get 1y, which is 41. Okay, now it's going to get a little bit tougher, maybe. This one now. Gwen is 6 times as old as her brother. Okay, you must think what does not change. What does not change? I myself need to draw a model for this one. If I don't draw, I cannot solve.
Sir,
Yeah.
12 years old times she'll be 12 old as her brother. I don't understand.
That means in the 12 years time, she's 2 times the brother's age. 2 times the brother's age.
When you said time as old as her brother, in 12 years time she'll be 12 years. I don't understand. Is it what 6 times 2? 12 lah.
No. You cannot run. Okay. Never mind. I'll give you another question in a moment. Okay, this one we shift lah. We shift first. We shift. Yeah? Let me see. We'll come back to Okay, these last 5 questions, I will go through again. Okay, I will give you another one now. Let me see. It's 2118. 2020. Okay, again, because you all are tired already. If we go for the tougher ones, I should have started with the tougher ones. Now, if I go now, you all are tired already. So your mind cannot think. So I must give you actually the difficult one earlier. Which one is in a 10th place? Notice this one is easier, right? So it's easier, you don't need to think. Akil, you okay not Akil? Jam sedih je Akil. You sedih? Don't be sad lah. Not sad, okay. Izzat, you okay Izzat? Ini macam tak ada orang. So this is my first time seeing until this late. So okay, thank you very much, Akil. But again, you have made the correct answer. Well done. What about Izzat?
Sir,
Yeah.
number 1 is number 4.
Number 4.
Express.
Okay. Then, Akil, thank you. And you're correct also, Akil.
Express 1.3 acceleration rate.
Okay, good. Is that good also?
Sir, is it 1.06?
Well done. You jangan pakai calculator.
No.
Okay. Alright. Jom meradang lah this guy. Dia meradang. Apa ni? Okay, now down here. So down here you are correct. What is in the 10th place? You identify the ones. Down here is the 10th. Well done. So this one, what do? You times this by 2. You times this by 2. You get 1/6/100. So how to do? You change this 1, 2 zeros, put 2 blanks, put the 6 down here, then put a 0. Well done. So all of you got this correct, question 1 and 2. Notice, when you are tired, don't go for the difficult questions. I'm not talking about during exam. During exam is an unnatural one. The fear will enter your heart. You can do even the difficult one during tired also boleh buat. But for practice, when you're tired already, you don't go for the paper 2 questions, not yet. You do paper 1 question. Or paper 2 question, don't do the very difficult one because your mind can't process. You need to take a break. Okay, which one? 4 ke 3? 3. Then let's see whether you are right. I think congratulations lah. Congratulations. What about the rest? We are tired. Yeah, I know. All of us tired lah. Izzat, ingat Izzat? Can, You see, in between is what? In between is 1 to 5. So this is in between 1 to 5 and 130, you know. So 1 to 3 is out. In between 1 to 5, 130 is 1 to 7.5. Which one is closest? 1 to 7.
Yeah,
Yeah, go. No problem. Okay, so we are now going for the last 20 minutes. Ratio. Andre had a number of it. Hello, siapa itu? Tak pakai baju adik? Aduh. That's your younger brother. Is he a younger brother? Well, he's quite big, What's his weight? Do you know?
Very sure, bro.
What's his weight? Don't know. Is he heavier than you or you heavier than him? He's heavier than you. Yes. So must go for tough club, huh? Must go for exercise. Okay. Now, Andre had a number of red apples, green apples, and oranges in the ratio of 8:3:2. So this one, Izzat and Shakil, you write that R is to G. You must do your working like this. R is to G is to what? Oh, fill in the blanks. So they say 8:3:2. What's the number of oranges to apples? Hey, you know what to do lah, son. Oranges to apples. Apples means red and green together. Red and green together. Careful, eh? Don't be tricked. Don't be tricked, eh? It's very simple. You can do this. Shakil can do this, Shakil. Shakil. How come this guy doesn't want to? Okay. Izzat can do Izzat. You give your answer. Is that your answer? No. Okay. So we want now the new one. You want oranges to apples. You know, apples means red and green together. Izzat says 3. Okay, let's see. Izzat, yours is apples to oranges. You know, yours is 8. You see now. Let us see now. Oranges got how many? Oranges got 2. Do you want ratio of the number of oranges first to the number of apples? Apples, 1 is 8, 1 is 3. Altogether, how many? 11. 8 plus 3, 11. Must be 2 to 11. 11 to 2 is apples to oranges. Do you get it? You understand, Izzat? Izzat, do you see? Red apples is 8. Green apples is 3. You combine 11. Now the question is asking you for which one first? Oranges first, you know. Apple second. You have put apples to oranges. Can you see now? 11 to 2 is 11 to apples to oranges. You get it, huh? Is that? Get it, huh? Okay, good. So be careful, be careful. All right, we move on, huh? Percentage now. Can you see now? I'll make it bigger. Now better. Okay, you got answer here. So fast. Okay, let's see that. Let's see whether you're right. I'm still reading the question now. Speedy Gonzalez. Congratulations, Akil. Come on. Okay, is that say 96? Let us see, yeah. Now, they tell us that the children are 20%. So children is 20%. So what about the adult passengers, the woman and the man. Woman and man must be how many percent? 100 minus 20% must be 80%. This one you understand, is that? Is that you understand? This one 20%, the other one is 80%. You understand? Children 20%, adults must be 80%. Total is 100%. See, 20% children. So the rest, adults. Adults is 80%. Adults is made up of men and women. Now we come now. So they tell us 9 of them were men. 15 of them were women. So total of men and women is how much? 15 plus 9 is 24. So 80% is 24. You want to find what? You want to find 100%. Okay, you can reduce to 20%. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. When you divide by 4, what do you get? You get 6. 20% is 6. Then you want to find what? 100%. How to find 100%? You times by 5. Hold on, you times by 5. Allahu Akbar. You times by 5 down here. In times by 5, as Akil says, you get 30. Okay, that's one way of doing it. What's another way? Another way, I actually showed you the formula method last time. You remember that? You have done that. Remember? The single method using formula. Down here will always be 1. What you want to find? You want to find 100% because you want to find all the passengers. Okay. So what percentage do you know? You know 80%, we put 80 below, is equals to 24, like that. You do like that, so you will get 30, for sure. You try, you can divide, you get this one 5, this one 4. Then you divide 1, this one 6. 5 times 6, 30. So both ways are correct. Okay, we move on, next one. This one is not a speed question, please don't get me wrong. This is a time question. Time question, can you try? This is not a speed question, it's a time question. Anyone? Akil, ingat Akil? Oh ya, si Akil boleh tak? Si Akil pakai kerudung You look very pretty Pretty, not pretty, pretty Pretty tu cantik, pretty means kesian Okay, Akil, I got the answer. Let us check in a moment. Is that your answer is 3, is it? Is that you done? Is that? Not yet. Is that tired so? The eyes macam like that. It's okay, it's okay. Here we Can is that? All right, I'm going to show you in 1 minute's time or 30 seconds time. There's a few ways of doing this lah. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is a time, number one, well done. Well done, is that? So this is a time of arrival. You want to find when did they start. So you must minus 3 hours, 50 minutes. So 11:05 minus 3 hours, 50 minutes. Now this is not enough to minus 50. You need to borrow 1 hour. How? You borrow 1 hour, you're left with 10 hours on here. Some plus 60. What do you get? 5 plus 60 is 65. You can see, yeah? Now it becomes from 5 becomes 65. 65 you can minus, get 15. 10 minus 3, 7. 0715. Number one. Huh? Now, some of you don't understand this method. They say this one, I'm very confused. Okay, then what to do? We do the we count backwards. Okay, we count backwards now from 11:05. So you say 3 hours and 50 minutes. We go 1 hour back. It's 10:05. Okay. We go 1 hour back. This 1 hour already, yeah. 1 hour back. We go another hour back. It's 9:05. It's 2 hours already. We go 1 more hour back. It's 8:05. Okay, this is the third hour. But we must go another 50 minutes back. So 50 minutes, I go back 5 minutes first. I get 8 o'clock. I go back 5 minutes now. So how many minutes more? I need to go back another 45 minutes more. So I go back 45 minutes more, it's 7:15. You can also do this method. Okay, 2 methods. Here we go. Okay, this one, we don't know what you can see. Which of the following fractions is larger than 1/4? Which one is larger than 1/4? Later, I'll show you a very easy way to do this, okay? But you try first. Is that say number one, is it? Number one is 1/4 now. You divide this by 6. Divide by 6. You get exactly 1/4. Okay. So we'll know this is not the answer. Can you try the rest? Akil, you know how to do not, Akil? And share Akil. Okay, I'll show you now a method. It is 1/4, right? Let us make this 1/4. Down here now you say, can you times anyone to make it the same? Oh yeah, 1 times 5. Okay, good. Times by 5, 1/4. 5/20. Sometimes 5 also. Which one is bigger? 5/21 or 5/20? 5/20 is bigger. Why? Because denominator is smaller. So this one is out also. Next one, 1/4. You can times to make it the same top or bottom. This one you times by 4. Okay. Times by 4, times by 4. You get 4/16. 4/16. 4 and 4 and 4/15. Which one is bigger? This one is bigger. So again, this one is out. You want this one is bigger lah, right? This one is bigger, sorry. So you already got your answer. Okay, easy enough. This one you make it 1/4, this one become 3/12. This one is bigger. This one is smaller. So number 3 is the answer. Okay, can you try? The perimeter given is 60, yeah? Perimeter given is 60. Perimeter of the figure is like zing, 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 zing. It's on the outside. That's the perimeter. You want you to find the length BC. No, count in terms of breath. Count in terms of breath. How many breaths are there in the perimeter? Until I cannot see your hand. 4. 4 is not correct. Okay. Down here, maybe you're too tired already. Yeah? Can you see that? Number 1. Number 1 is for 1 unit, but it's not BC. Here you see here. The length is made up of 2 breaths. 1 breath, 2 breaths. Can see that? So that means I can cut the length into 2 breaths. Can cut into 2 breaths. Number 2, yes. Answer number 2, well done. So let's count how many units are there. 1 breath, 2 breath, 3 breath, 4 breath, 5 breath, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 units or 10 breath is 60. 1 breath, 60 divided by 10 is 6. Now they ask you for what? They ask you for BC. BC got 2 units now, 1, 2. So 2 times 6, 12. Okay, I hope you get it. Eh? All right, I will catch up with you again in your next lesson. All right, we'll see you next lesson then. You got any questions, please message me. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye. I got to rush home now.